Hello YouTuber and Viewmaster friend, 3D and retro enthusiast. We are very happy that you are here. Please keep your stereo viewer and the Viewmaster 3D reel set ready, which we show here in our video. Even if you don't have this 3D picture set yet, maybe you can just listen to our spoken text and imagine the motifs in your own fantasy world. Now listen to the following audio video while you take your time looking at the 3D images and switching accordingly frame by frame. Viewmaster Reel 1, Scene 1.
Oh dear, I shall be late. How curious! A rabbit with a pocket watch. I wonder where he's going. I'm going to follow him.
Picture 2.
Oh, I'm falling down the rabbit hole. Bookshelves, pictures, maps. Where am I?
Picture 3.
I'm locked in this passage. The little bottle said drink me. Now I'm shrunk, and I can't reach the key to unlock the door. What will I do?
Picture 4.
The cake said eat me, and now I'm growing. There's the rabbit, wearing white gloves and carrying a fan. My things are getting curious.
Picture 5.
Why, Mary Ann, what are you doing here? Run home and fetch me a pair of gloves and a fan. My name is not Mary Ann.
Picture 6.
Oh, my legs, my arms, I'm growing. Open the door, or I'll climb in the window. Oh, no, you won't.
Picture 7.
The pebbles you threw in the window turned into cake. I swallowed one. Now I'm small enough to leave your house, and I'm not coming back.
Viewmaster Reel 2. Picture 1.
Who are you? I hardly know, sir. I've been so many sizes.
It's a mushroom. One side makes you tall, the other side makes you shorter.
Picture 2.
It won't do to enter this house the size I am now. I'll just eat a bit more mushroom from the side that makes one shorter.
Picture 3.
Excuse me, why does your cat grin so?
It's a Cheshire cat. Here, catch the baby. I'm going out to play croquet with the Queen.
Picture 4.
The baby's turned into a pig.
Meow! I growl when pleased and wag my tail when angry. Everyone is mad here.
Picture 5.
You must be the March Hare, and you must be the Hatter. May I join you for tea?
No room, no room.
There's plenty of room.
Picture 6.
You're dipping your watch in the tea.
No matter. I sang at the Queen's concert. He's murdering the time, she said. Since then, time won't do a thing I ask.
Picture 7.
The dormouse won't fit in the teapot.
This is the stupidest tea party I was ever at. What's behind this door in a tree?
Viewmaster Reel 3. Picture 1.
Why are you painting those roses?
They should have been red ones. If the Queen finds out our mistake, our heads will be cut off. The Queen!
Picture 2.
Why, they're nothing but a pack of cards.
Off with our heads!
Nonsense.
I see. You play croquet? Come on, then.
Picture 3.
Off with his head!
What a curious game of croquet. The balls are live hedgehogs, the larks are flamingos, and soldiers are the archers.
Picture 4.
Meow! Off with his head. You can't cut off a head unless there's a body.
Picture 5.
Queen of Hearts made some tarts. Knave of Hearts stole the tarts. Call the first witness, Alice.
Oh, I'm growing again.
Picture 6.
Here.
Rule 42. All persons more than a mile high to leave the court.
I won't go.
Consider your verdict.
Picture 7.
Sentence first, verdict afterward.
Nonsense. Why, you're nothing but a pack of cards. And I've been dreaming.
We want to add new videos every day, so please subscribe to our channel.
And if you had fun, thumbs up